In Canada, we don't directly elect our Prime Minister. Instead, the country is broken up into over 300 electoral districts, sometimes called constituencies or ridings. Each one is represented by a member of parliament. On election day, all you vote for is for your choice of who you want to be your MP based on the candidates that are riding. That's it. Nothing else. Easy peasy. Generally speaking, although there can be exceptions, the leader of the political party who wins the most seats in Parliament becomes the Canadian Prime Minister. If a party wins more than half of the seats in Parliament, they form what's called a majority government and tend to have a pretty easy go at lawmaking. However, if they fall short and don't win more than half of the seats in government, because Canada has quite a few political parties that are able to win seats in government, parties have to learn how to work together in order to be able to pass laws. If this went by a little bit fast, you can check out my longer video on elections in Canada versus the US right here. If you like my t-shirt, you can get your own at my merch store down below. And as always, if you learned something today, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again next time.